Good night. Good night. Good night. I always look like I get water, so.
I don't know.
Why? Eh? Why always look like I bring water, sir? Why you not showing me I bring water?
Why you not showing me I bring water? Why have to be me I show you?
Why you not
Why you can't show yourself?
Why you not showing me I bring water?
I'm not stop
That's
you.
who say vanilla always I bring water. Chocolate no do nothing more sit down and collect water.
No man.
Yeah. Me bring her water too. Wagwan people.
Good evening, good evening, good evening. Big up yourself.
Wagwan. We're there.
Happy Wednesday.
Everybody good?
Blessings, blessings,
Blessings,
blessings.
blessings, blessings, blessings. When's the blessings to y'all? What's good? What's good? I come tie up tonight, yeah? I come tie up and comfortable tonight. Yeah. Me come tie up and comfortable tonight. Me can see who the buyer watch when I who take them time out to come say hello to it. Yeah? Locks. K, Wagwan, K, I
Big
Sam.
up K, Sam.
Yolanda, Wagwan.
Yolanda.
Monique.
Audrey. Andrea, sorry.
Andrea. Man, you look over my water.
Yeah.
I'm like a fight pan live, yeah?
Herman.
Wagwan. Diane. Wagwan.
Diane again. Diane Hunter.
Diane Hunter, Diane Wright. Yeah. Shanice. Wagwan.
Tashi, good evening.
Tashi. How you doing, Tashi? Pat Williams. Wagwan.
Cordelia.
Valerie. Gillette, you're the first one in the chat room tonight. You're the first one up in the chat room tonight. Yes, I have the wallet here, them. The wallet for them here. I'm still not done. Pull out here. Yeah, I have the ear them tonight. The wallet for ear them I'm talking about.
On Sunday.
From Sunday. So right now I have what? 2, 4, 6, 8, like 9 packs a year. Different types a year, right?
Now look the person.
The card, I'm not done look yet. This is just from one cupboard upstairs that I had them in. So, like, me always stick to my promise. So, even though I'm not finished, pull out all of them. Although I'm not finished, pull out all of them. Me still did want to have them to present tonight because...
some of them.
Yeah. Hi. Oh, just a chill watching you beautiful ladies. Thank you.
Thank you.
Hi, Cheryl. How you doing, Cheryl?
Cheryl.
Yeah, we were just over.
Carrie Ann.
Lady V did I watch Lady V for a minute and they were like, oh, we have live. Yeah, we have live tonight on Wednesday night.
We got distracted.
So we have to come talk to the people them. So I'll go on with you guys. Everybody good? Everybody good? Oh, not hear me from Planka Bar show this morning, me sing over there. Yeah, me did over there. I sing, she did Avina call it kind of worship service. I'm over there. I'm gonna go over there sing. It was such a beautiful thing. Yes, I made have to participate. Even though I made a work, me break for a minute and say, you know, I'm calling because, you know, I'm never too busy for God. And to tell people about the goodness of God. Yeah, so,
No, say we forget something.
We forget, right. Thank you very much. Yeah, thank you. Yeah, yes. So, guys, big one of the curly one. So it's gonna be a question from one of our videos that we've done, right? It's a question.
It's a question from
anybody. Yeah, anybody call in and get the question. First person to call in and get the question right. Me sending all of this here on top of a buckle of shampoo, a buckle of conditioner, a buckle of moisturizer, and two crochet needles. and a bottle of mousse.
And a bottle of mousse, yeah. Don't forget
Because
that.
I wanted to keep up. Make it keep up nice. Yes.
So you make tears come to them eyes.
Yeah. Oh, with the singing. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you.
She has a beautiful voice.
Oh, thank you. Me try.
We've been telling you that for years.
Me try. Yeah. So, watching from Jamaica.
Blessing you, sir.
Inet, is that how you pronounce it? Inet, welcome.
Rose.
Rose, is this your first time watching us? If it's your first time, welcome.
Laurel, big up, big up, big up. Marsha.
Yeah, me's a person was sweating on my face all the time.
Ever blessed Nikki.
Ever blessed Nikki. Yeah.
Good evening.
Good evening.
One and all.
So, guys, what me want to ask? Oh, no, tonight. I'm home early tonight. You're home early tonight, Tashi. Oh, guys, don't forget about the pageant that we have coming up in June.
The beginning of June.
At the beginning of June. I want to make sure I remind you guys. It's going to be like, you know how you have Miss America. And it's for the queens. We want to crown someone Miss BFF 2022.
Yeah.
We want to do this every year. We're going to have 3 runner-up. We're going to have the top prize winner, the second prize, and the third prize winner.
Yep.
The first prize winner is going to receive $500. $500 US. Second prize, $250. Third prize, $100. We're taking video clips from whomever want to participate. You gotta remember, you gotta be willing to be on camera because we're gonna do this for the audience on a split screen. It doesn't have anything. It doesn't solely based on the outer appearance. It's about personality. It's about confidence.
Yep.
Yes. And we're gonna have judges to help us from different platforms to judge. So we just want to do something fun, entertaining, and to bring out someone's personality and confidence, just to straighten another queen's crown. Because God knows we really need something like this in this time. If you look around, there are not enough queens out there to straighten other queen's crown. And I'm just being honest right tonight. It's very sad. It's very sad. We need more love. We need more love. We need more genuine people in this world. You know, so we can only try to be the best version of ourselves. And we're not here to convince anyone about, you know, that we are good people. With watching us, you should be able to determine that.
And we're not perfect, and we're trying to get better and better every day.
We're not perfect, but one thing we know for sure: we are real. We are real, and it's scary when you're real. It's very scary out here when you know you're real, because then people are so quick to clump you in with everybody else. People are so quick to use a broad brush because, you know, when they see things occurring over and over, it's very hard to know who's real, who to trust and stuff like that. But we're not here to convince anyone to trust us. With watching us and being here with us, you will learn exactly who we are. When we're faced with situations, you will see how we handle those situations. Then you can judge us based on that. You understand? We just want to be out here to entertain, to show love, to show compassion, to motivate, you know, and to be the best version of ourselves, and to learn, because life is you're constantly learning.
You're learning something new every day.
We are gonna make mistakes. You know, we're not perfect, but some mistakes, we definitely are molded into the woman that we are right now. So those mistakes I don't see us making. Not that we are perfect, but they're just certain things you don't even call mistakes. You understand? Certain things you just don't call mistake. You know, tonight we just there here for vibes with you guys. Please remember to unblock me so I can call. You are already unblocked. We unblocked you the same night we spoke. And thank you so much, Tashi, for reaching out to us and not just take it to heart and you know, and without explaining. And I'm sure you realize that we are people that you can talk to, and we understand where you're coming from. That's what we're here to listen and not to jump to anything. So thank you so much for reaching out to us about
we appreciate it.
Yes, and we were very honest with why we blocked you. We're not gonna lie. We're gonna tell you exactly why we blocked you. Yeah, and after you've explained, we understand. Yeah, we understand. Yeah, man.
Love you too.
Love you too. Love you too. Love you too, Bejan. Love you too. Love you too. Yeah, guys, we never really come on tonight with any specific topic. We just wanted to come and see, you know, read your comments if you have questions for us and you want to ask us anything about us that you haven't already know. This is your opportunity to text
I do need to clarify something though.
A question?
I do need to clarify something.
What?
One night we did a vlog, and a video and a live, and I was watching the video and I saw a comment. No, I'm not albino. I'm white. Okay, I'm white. I just have to say that. I'm not albino.
Thank you, Tashi. We love you too.
Love you too, Queen.
We love you too. Yes, so guys, tonight is like a night to get to know us a little bit better. So if you have any question and you want to send us your question, feel free to send us your questions. We will answer it to the best, as honest as possible. And we'll go from there. Yeah, we just have a chill night tonight, you know, nothing fussy with our wonderful supporters. Just, we're taking questions tonight. So, send us your question. We want to hear from you. We want to have a dialogue with you. It's not always about us coming on and talking about topics. We want you to get to know us too. So, talk to us. I all laugh off away. I mean, I ain't give no joke. Me never give no joke. And I come over here, I laugh off of me. You know what? Me did a think about a topic, you know. I'm a pull back on the topic. Yeah? Might as well me just come with the topic then. Since I don't have no question, or no way in and out.
Right.
So tonight me I talk to Vanilla, and you know so Vanilla don't know what the rose is. Anybody
I've never heard
of the rose? Anybody hear about the rose? Wanna know what the rose is? Wanna know about the rose? I was telling Vanilla about the rose. Yeah?
I never knew about that. I learned something new today.
Thank you so much, Audra. Who know about the rose? Ras? Oh, Ras short for Rastafari. Me know that. Me a Jamaican. Me know say Ras short for Rastafari. Me not afraid for say Ras.
It's okay to say.
Me can't, yeah, me know, me can't say Ras. Good night, Jennifer.
Good evening, Jennifer.
Don't trouble the rose. We send me to hospital. Me think say every woman. Me think, why we send me to hospital? The name of our YouTube page is
Chocolate and Vanilla BFF.
Yeah,
it's pinned on our page.
Yeah, it's pinned on our page. Chocolate and Vanilla BFF are the thing.
Good evening, Marshall Lee.
Exactly. Good evening, Marshall Lee. So we ask if you don't have any questions for us. Nobody no want to ask no question because I think we don't know it. I guess. You understand? We don't know everything about it. I don't know what I ask. Good night, Duval. Good night.
Good evening, Duval.
Good night,
Good
Duval.
evening, King.
Some want me to talk about the rose.
They said the pleasure and the normal.
A pleasure of the rose no normal. So anybody out there believe that anybody out there believe that if you masturbate, it's a sin, or have a vibrator, it's a sin? Any of you ladies think that? Or you think you will never have a vibrator? You don't believe in a sex toys? I
don't think anything's wrong with sex
I don't think anything is wrong with sex toys. I don't think so. And what if Vanilla and I get into the sex toys, the sex toy business, like the rose and the dildo, and we have it's called the collection could call the chocolate and vanilla dessert factory. Bedroom desserts.
Bedroom dessert.
Bedroom desserts. Bedroom desserts. Anybody I go buy some desserts from the bedroom dessert if I come out with a collection? Let me say who brave. Because on a love go on like say, on no know what sex toys is. I'm going to bring out some sex toy and show you. There are a lot of different sex toys that you can use with your partner. Yes, I believe every woman should be pleasured. Yes. And mental to the highest degree. You understand? Having a dildo, I don't think it's a sin.
Oh, we have some questions.
We have some questions. All right, because I mean, I'll make me go in a dildo, and I mean, I'll make me go in a masturbation. Then they will all start laugh off of me because, you know, me the dog go deep. Yeah, but okay. Go to your question. Go to your question.
What does BFF stand for? So, best friends forever.
Best friends forever or best friends for life. For life. You can look at it either way. Yeah.
Sam said that sex toys bring spice to a relationship.
It brings spice to a relationship. And for example, you as a married woman, if you travel alone, like me, sometimes I go on trips alone, and my husband did it with me, and I'm not if me pack a nice billy and put in my luggage. The only thing I'm afraid of is when me I got through custom and then open my suitcase and want to search me. But so far, them not search me because I know for going and nothing to declare. Me not have nothing in my suitcase to declare. You understand? So far, me never been caught with one.
Wait. What would you say if you got caught with one?
Me would say nothing. Me that ask the people them if them open it and them see me dildo and take it out. Me that said, isn't it a nice size? Don't it pretty? You know what I mean? You know me already.
Me that tell them say, look, if me get honey, me need for pleasure myself. I mean, hello.
Yeah.
That's what they're for.
Right. So who gonna buy the dildo them? Okay. And the rose. Yeah, me never
the comments are kind of mixed between the questions to ask us and
the sex
toys.
Yeah.
So they want to know if it's true we're coming to Canada in June. Absolutely.
Yes, we are. Absolutely. Yes. We already made our plans.
Yes,
we're coming.
We're coming
to Canada.
Yes.
Yes, and because it's cold, the heat is high here. And I have to use my fan because I don't want to turn off the heat. Yeah. I don't want to turn off the heat and turn on the hair. So, all right. And my face always a sweat. Yeah. Okay. So why it now?
Slimatic said she got scammed today with a fake 100 US.
How comes? How did that happen?
She said she started a business recently and this dude scammed her with a fake $100 US bill.
Oh, wow. Sorry about that.
Yeah.
That's awful.
Slimatic.
Yeah, I'm sorry about that. That's awful. So back to a question.
All right, so here. If the man used a vibrating ring around his sausage, send you to cloud 9.
A vibrator or a ring?
A vibrating ring.
There's a ring that go around sausage? Me never hear about the one that so me I learn now. So we're going to need to add a ring to the collection. Alright? That good for know. But me hear say the rose is amazing. Everybody want a rose. Yeah? Me see the rose, but I've never used the rose. Yeah? So
I never heard about the rose until tonight.
Yeah, me I go buy one rose. Everybody need a roses in a them garden. Yeah? Everybody need a rose in a them garden. So I'm not say nothing with buying a rose. I mean, here so the rose, it have a tongue inside of it, and it have different speeds where you can use. Yeah, you know, me not wall back. You understand? Because me not say nothing wrong with it. Somebody have to explain to me and tell me what's wrong with it. Yeah. Me not say nothing wrong with having a rose. Me not say nothing wrong with having a dildo. I believe,
and you know they have...
I believe every woman should have a nice dildo. Because even if you not have the body, that's perfect too. If you not have a partner. Because, and I like to say you can get sexual transmitted disease by using a dildo.
True.
No, you can't.
True.
You know, nobody know your body as good as you know your body.
That's true.
So that's another plus, say, having a dildo. At one point, I did want to buy a dildo and give to all of the queens them are watching.
Every woman deserves a good body.
I still have that in mind. And
I don't think there's anything wrong even if you're married and you have a dildo.
A matter of fact, we did send out dildos to support us, but we will never ever disclose who we did. Never.
Nope.
And if we have a business like that, we would never ever mention who purchased a dildo.
That's private.
Yeah, that is totally private.
Yeah.
And she was so happy for the dildo. Yes.
They said nothing wrong with sex toys.
Nothing wrong with sex
Women
toys.
have to learn to take care of themselves.
But somebody told me, a female told me that she tries to masturbate and it never work out for her. But I told her that if you masturbate, you have to have some type of fantasy going in your head.
Yeah.
You can't masturbate and think about dumpling and chicken or steak or lobster,
what you're going to do tomorrow.
Or what you're going to do tomorrow. You have to be there mentally. You understand?
You have to be in the moment.
You have to have a fantasy in your head. You have to think about, like, you know, like, let me see now. Jeez. Off the top of my head, me can't tell. You have to think about something. You have to think about, say, is either you get it on, or, you know, somebody eating mackerel, stuff like that. Me help on out for people that want to struggle with the masturbation thing. You understand? Because I know some people struggle with it. Yeah? So, that's what she said. She said she try it, but she cannot get to where she need to get to with the masturbation. So I say, because you lay down there and you think about things where you're not supposed to think about. You have to lay down there and your poor finger got tired and you got sweat and all of that work and you're not pleased. Wait, where you do? You have to put a fantasy in your head.
You do.
Yeah, you have to put a... Wanna correct me if I'm wrong. Do you have to have a fun for all the people that will masturbate? Me no say nothing on masturbate or no never say it. Yeah? But me I got talk up the things them because me know it happen. Me know it happen. So you have to have a fantasy in your head.
Because if you're not thinking about something like that, you could be waiting to come forever.
Yeah, you have to have a fantasy in your head and think about something sexual. You can't lay down there and think about manga, you know what I mean, while you play with the mackerel. You can't lay down there and think about where you're going to cook for dinner and stuff like that. You have to have a fantasy in your head. You understand? That's what I try to say. What am I laugh about?
Can you bake her a dildo 67 inches long?
Well,
she says she are going to be 67 in May and want to know if we can bake her a 67-inch long dildo.
If me do the dildo have to be at a certain length and thickness. Me not do nothing under 7 inches.
She said bake.
Bake?
Bake her a cake of a dildo.
Bake her a cake of a dildo. Me I forgot to talk to Master Bake about that. It can't go below 7. You understand?
No.
That's a waste of material. You understand? It can't go below 7 and it can't be maga. Waste of time. Ladies like thickness and them like length. And you can't work with the length, but it have to have a little, it have to have some thickness to it.
They said don't forget to put the towel under you.
What kind of towel?
Under you when you are come. So, I don't know. Put
under
the towel.
What towel?
Put towel under you.
After a river go run.
I'm just saying.
When you masturbate, you have to put where you need to put towel. Eh? As if you no come and go heavy.
They said you need to proceed with caution.
As if you no come and go heavy. And what you talk about? No. You don't need no towel under you. No. Me don't know what you not talk about. But anyways, for the ladies them wanna know if they masturbate. You understand? You have to create a fantasy in your head. You have to. You can't lay down there and think about yard work and wanna go nyam tomorrow for dinner and them sitting there. You can't close on a eye and sit down there think about and lay down there and play and think about food. It not gonna work. You not gonna do that all night. I sweat. You know what I mean? Till the finger cramp up and nothing not happen.
Them say she not do it right.
Yeah, that's what me think too. She have to find the good spot. There's a spot. She need to explore. Start with the boat. Explore the boat. You understand? Take the boat from the tip and work your way.
They said they said when you do them sitting there, you need to think about your bedroom fantasy.
Right, you have to think about your bedroom fantasy. Play with the boat because most women that me know, that's where the pleasure area is when it comes to, well,
them want to see, them want
the
to see
pleasure area in a boat. You understand? Once you stay in a rotted boat and you jump out a boat, you're alright. Yeah? But you come like say you're not staying in a boat. Yeah? And you not create a fantasy. So that's why it not work for you. Me just talk to a person who tell me say them have a hard time with that. Yeah. May I keep it 100.
They said they want she said she'll settle for a 10 or 12 inch cake from
a 12?
10
Jesus
to 12
Christ.
inch
I thought
cake.
11 was the max. Now you want to move it up to 12? No, sir.
They said the
No,
rose.
sir. Your umaga chef.
She said the reason why you need the towel is because the rose will make you squirt.
Oh, for the rose. Okay, no lost me because me think say for the masturbation for the rose. Alright, so you're gonna need one towel for the rose. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. That's a good thing. I mean, you know, a comforter, a towel, that's a good thing. Pleasure is good. Pleasure is good. Wanna stop going like sound so holy and can't listen about pleasure. Everybody want to be pleased. Me not care how old you is. Yes, you're supposed to be pleasured. And you're supposed to feel good. Me want my queens them to have fun. You know, and to be satisfied sexually. Because some people out there walk around with a lot of sexual frustration. You understand?
Built up frustration.
Built up frustration. So if you're not...
it needs to be released.
It needs to release. That's why
first time you release is going to be like a river. River of fluid.
You need to be released. We're not just there for make you laugh and entertain you and for motivate you. We also want to know that you're sexually satisfied. You understand? So, whether it's masturbation, whether it's by toys, whether it's by the real sausage, you know what I'm saying? Whether it's by the rose, the tongue in the rose, I want to be good in all areas.
So they have a question.
Some people go on like them can't talk about sex. So sex bring with ear.
Them have a question. Them said, Pastor say when you use dildo and you get a husband, the husband sausage feel big.
Yeah, how pastor know that?
I don't know.
The pastor can't talk. Well, all pastor for know that. What the pastor talk about? All pastor for know that. Maybe pastor sausage liquor and him talk about film personal thing. Yeah. But that have nothing to do with if you have a man and you want to have a sausage. You a dildo. You understand? Me want my queens them and me want the kings them too. To be sexually pleased and satisfied because like me say a lot of people are walk around with being sexually frustrated because on the nose of them have fake vagina too.
Yes, I was just gonna say that, you know, we need to add that.
Yeah, them have fake vagina, you know, we can expand and get small. Them have them in a sex store. Me I tell them, I go in a sex store, a toy store. It's called toy store. Yes. Them have it too. And them have the blow up. Them have the blow up dolly for the men them. If them want a woman. Enough man up here use blow up dolly.
Yeah, man.
Me don't know about that, but them do use blow up dolly. Them inflate the damn dolly, and them work the hell out of the dolly. You understand? Them work the hell out of the dolly. Yes, you have some men up here will live a dolly of them woman, you know? A dolly of them woman. Yeah, a dolly of them woman. You have some weird people in this world. May I tell you, me see it before, where man have a dolly as him woman. Him dress up him dolly, him put him dolly in a lingerie, and him walk the hell out of him dolly. You understand? Him work it dolly. Yes. Yes, people, me not lie. Some people up here, when me have to talk about up here, cause up here me live. Some people have some weird fantasies. You understand? When me used to go to the club, you have this man were obsessed with feet. Him have a feet toe fetish. And he would check out my toes them all the damn time. Feel with toe, remember?
Yeah.
That's all him care about our toes. Yeah, him have a toe fetish. Yes. It's like when he see toe, it make him excited. Yes. Me say this is the weirdest rotted thing me ever be all in my life. Every time, girls, let me see on the toes. Let me see on the toes.
Open toe shoes.
Let me see the open toe shoes. He
Look
come
at
like
pretty toe.
Him want come off of your toe them. Yes. Some people have some weird fetish. Weird fetish. Me not lie to you. But me I tell you, so them have the dolly them for the men them when I have no woman, or them not confident. You understand? Because them have a tingle and not a bringle, and you know, and then know so they can't perform well. Me that's what them have the fake vagina and them have the blow up dolly. You understand?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yeah. Some people don't know how to work it.
Yes, so
they think they can work on something that's not moving. So I guess.
Yeah, the only thing the dolly don't move.
The dolly not move.
The dolly not move, so him can't tear it up. The dolly not go move or make no noise. But me don't know if the dolly make noise. Me don't know if the dolly make noise.
That's a good question, you know.
Me don't know if
does the dolly moan and groan?
We need to go to the store go see if the dolly make noise. I wonder if the dolly make noise.
Does the dolly moan and groan?
Yeah, it's a big dolly thing where you blow up. Yeah, them have if we mend them. Me not lie to you. Yeah, we need to get some of them can show them it pan here. So we not lie. In a store, me not lie to you. And them have all beads, balls, what them push up in a, me don't know what them do with them balls. Them some little bead things.
Yes.
When them push up the beads. Yeah, them have the beads.
Supposedly, what I heard is you're supposed to, I've never tried it. You're supposed to stick the beads up in your macro, and you're supposed to try and contract to make your macro tight.
Oh, so it's like the ball is a workout for your macro.
Yes.
It's
a workout. It's a macro workout ball.
Yeah, but I heard also when women urinate and they pee and stop, it tightens the muscles in your macro. I saw me here. Yeah. You pee and stop, don't pee straight. You pee and stop, it tightens the muscles in your macro. Yeah. We're talking about everything.
I don't know if that's true about the beads. That's what I saw. That's what I heard.
Yeah, I look out for my kings and my queens. I want them to be sexually satisfied and pleased. You can't just get up and work, so, and a stress about everything else, and now
release the stress.
Your body need for release. You understand? You need for release. And you're not have no man for release. If there are nice dildos out there, you have the dildos them will have the vein in it will look just like a sausage, you know. And it feel what you hold it feel real. Yeah, real like a sausage. You need one of them, not them like a plastic thing man, see people sell. Not like a cheap thing that no, you need not if you're not gonna get them, you need nice ones will feel like the real deal.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah. I don't know one go, if you don't get it cheap on them, I don't know one go put it just so. You understand? Get lubricant for it.
And make sure you wash it first.
And make sure you wash it. You know what I'm saying?
Clean it before you use it. Sanitize it.
Sanitize it. Wash it with hot water and put it in get a nice case and take care of your sausage where you have. If I eat it half for now, I eat it half for now. You have to take care of your sausage where you have for now. And if you have it as an extra toy, as a toy, you take care of it same way. You understand? Yes. On a laugh and a joking thing. And a joking thing, I want on to be
pleasured.
Pleasured. Yes, pleasured. Because enough people like me say I walk around with sexual frustration. And at least I continue to say to them blow up. Or then get up and just want start stuff. I'm miserable. You know what I mean? Because they're not release. They're not release them things there.
You're sexually frustrated.
Sexually frustrated. You have a little dirty Indian man them from over India will love call your phone, will love come in your inbox and send you them little dirty dirty tealy and then sitting there. They need to sell them blow up dolly there down in India. So they can buy them dolly there and top walk around on the internet and send them little tealy to everybody. You understand? It don't look like they have none down in India. It don't look so. Yeah.
Maybe we need to open up a sex toy shop in India.
Yeah. And then now send you nothing well lookable. You know what I mean? They're not lookable. They're not tannable. They're not nothingable. Yeah. But they want woman. Every time they see somebody, they want them. Yeah. I want to send you that little dirty tealy. Dusty tealy from down in India. In your inbox. But not lie. They still call it tealy. Well, as some used to hear them call it when I live in Jamaica, then call it tealy. Yeah, and call it tealy. Tealy.
Happy birthday, Carol.
Happy birthday, Carol. Happy birthday to you, dear. What am I saying in chat? Me hear them I say because them I laugh like say me come here for give them joke.
They said there's a sex shop in Portmore.
One sex shop there in Portmore? One toy shop? Them have the blow up dolly them over there too? And the fake pananis?
They said then Patricia said somebody sent her pictures and sent all them balls.
May I tell you, the amount of time we get penis picture. It's ridiculous and none of them are lookable. None of them are. It's either them, they're maga. They look like they not feed them. It look like it look like it really them not get no feeding. They just maga and terrible looking. Yeah. Yeah, they look anorexic. Yeah, they look like them are suffer. They look like they need somebody to donate some food to them. Then the tealy there where I come across the page.
They need some type of injection.
Yeah. They need to inflate them. Yeah. But may I tell her, what them have for me? Any question?
No.
Yeah, it tealy them no work. Yeah, they're not.
Oh, Tiana, happy birthday early.
Happy birthday, Tiana. Happy birthday. One in a orchard race as well. And what you say? So you don't have no reason if you not live in them area there for not come. You understand? For not be pleased, sexually.
I guess the question would be, would you be embarrassed to go into one?
Yeah, you're not embarrassed to go into them? No, sir. Me just walk up in there.
Hold your head high.
Yeah, go in at the
self-pleasure.
It's for adults. Yes, no shame, not in it.
Man, go in there. Woman, go in there.
No shame, not in there. Just walk up in the bowl. Take up a dildo and ask so much feet. Yes, you can open it. Me feel it, texture it.
More
yes,
see
me
it.
want to see it. You know what I mean? Yeah. Me see it. How long I battery life? Do me need to charge you up? Ask them questions.
Is it wireless? Do you have to? How
Me
long
not
do you
think
have
that
to
none
plug
of them
in?
have wire. Them have wire. Me never see none with wire. Them always battery operated.
I mean wireless, so you don't have to plug it in. Like you could just put it on a stand or something and it charges. How you can put your phone on the thing and it charges your phone without plugging in.
Okay.
Something like that.
No, most I want them on me say. them are battery operated. You just put a battery in them.
Oh.
Yeah, but the first time me I travel with one and I say blood man.
My one have a battery, my one a plug in.
Yeah, me say me nervous to go through immigrate, me nervous to go through custom, me nervous to go through custom. And me just talk up myself in my head. Me say, you know what? If they open this and find it, me just gotta brag about it. Hello?
Hold it for a second.
Hello? Good night. Can you turn us down in the background, please?
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
About the India story, I talk about the India story.
Uh-huh.
Me have one cousin, a big woman, so Jennifer, they put her phone because they make want them put her on Facebook.
Uh-huh.
So she has 60 a day.
Okay.
So, one evening she watch her African show them on Facebook and she and my mother sit down and watch. Why Indian man call her? So she said, "Then what call me?" And you know, she got answer. When he answer, look, no one naked man rubbing down him body and good on and when he look at penis, he man look at one little dead penis. Here from my mother. You know, she said naked, the man naked. So same time the man like the man go respond and say, "Hello, you like what you see here from my cousin?" You know, say same thing when you have me have. The man hang up fast.
Yeah, man, them always a send with naked picture in our inboxes all the time. And them are honey set of people me see. Me don't know how them so honey.
Yeah, it's true that I don't take friend requests from them.
And that's the reason why we don't take in like calls when people are requested to come on the live. Because I've heard it where people open up them live and when they open a naked man turn up there with him penis in her hand. You understand? Yes. So that's one reason why we don't. You have to schedule a split screen with we. We're not gonna just take in anybody on the split screen because me I tell us that them on it. Them always a call and them always a send them
Video call.
Yeah, video call. You know how much of them call we? It's ridiculous. Yes, and then not nothing.
I don't.
Yeah, me prefer to go out there go buy dildo than for entertain them. You understand? Yes.
Me still away from blue boy, you know.
You still want blue boy?
Yeah, me still away from blue boy.
You say you want a blue okay, alright. Blue dildo for you. Okay. Me love when time me queens them want dildo, you know.
At least you're honest.
At least you're honest. Yes, you have to be honest. You know what your body wants. Your body calling for the dildo. Your body is calling for the blue dildo. We're going to make it happen.
Ain't running go nowhere. Me not make no man have me a box me break them right I said
Exactly. And you know what dildo on the top back, you know?
I was just gonna say
In the top back. It come ready. Yeah. You don't have to see all the lazy woman. You don't have to put no energy in nothing. You understand? Only your hand. Yeah.
You don't have to, and then you don't have to worry about no foreplay because I mean he's already.
Yeah, you're not
hard.
You're not have to kiss it if you don't want to kiss it. You understand?
You have to put your mouth near it.
You don't have to kiss it if you don't want to kiss it. Yeah. That's what me I say.
Sausage.
Yeah.
Real.
Sausage. Go for it. A dildo. Yes.
Yeah.
Blue dildo. Okay. All right. Thank you,
All right,
darling.
Queen. Thank you for calling. All
Alright.
See?
Bye.
See? Sausage are needed out there. On a go on your ear, on a take pride and take the fact that, oh, me raised up in a church too. You understand? But me not think, said the Lord, I go sin me if me go on one trip and me did it and feel lonely. You know what I mean?
But the other thing is,
and me say, Pinky, tonight it's about us, Pinky. You know, it's you and me, Pinky. Nothing wrong with that. And I like something out there cheat for my husband. You know what I mean? Me show him Pinky. I said, this is Pinky. Meet Pinky. He said, what you doing that? I said, this is Pinky. You understand?
my one name Purple Man.
Purple Man. Yes.
Purple Man.
Meet Pinky. Pinky can't fight you. Pinky not got jealous of you. Pinky, you know what I mean? Pinky cool. Pinky's just for travel with. You understand?
But you have to remember, I mean, sometimes,
Are you
even
not-
if you have a husband, sometimes you're going to want it, and he's not going to want to, he might be tired, he might not feel horny. Hello? You can pleasure yourself.
And the greatest thing, if you take Pinky with you, you don't have to buy no extra ticket. May I tell you, you don't have to pay nothing extra for your room. You understand me?
You don't have to pay that extra fee. Oh,
I'm just saying. I'm just saying.
hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night.
How you doing?
I'm alright. So, like yesterday I was on the job, so I have this client. So whenever she comes, she always telling me like about she and her boyfriend, and they're always having fuss and stuff like that.
Right.
So yesterday when she came now, I said to her, so yeah, your boyfriend gone back? She said, no, girl. So I said, that's how you say no. The girl pop out her phone and show me, make me show you my boyfriend. Not the pink rose.
Oh, yes, yes,
She got the
yes.
pink rose.
Yes.
I would have dead. I laugh. I laugh. Miss a girl that's too good.
So the pink rose will make she and her boyfriend in an argument.
Me say, it look like, me say, no, it's a girl that's too good. She said she had a boyfriend left, and pink rose her boyfriend.
Oh, Jesus. Me believe you because me hear nothing but good things about the rose. Nothing but good things about the rose. You're not going to mash up on a relationship with the rose.
Not to hear her. Tashi, you need to get one. It's a girl, leave me alone.
So Tashi, you don't want one. You don't want one of rose. Every woman deserves a rose.
Right.
A rose in her garden. Yes. This a rose and you don't have to water it. You understand?
Tell me, say, Tashi, when me use the girl, me skirt, I know nothing normal.
And what you say? Rose it is. Rose it is. Yes. No. Buy on herself. This is the only rose me that encourage a woman to buy for herself.
Yeah.
Buy the rose.
Buy the rose, ladies.
Alright.
All right,
Alright, thank you. Yes. Buy the rose. This is the only rose you can go buy for yourself. You understand? Treat yourself to a rose. Me know some of you never experienced mackerel eating. Believe me. Well, what me hear. Everything me talk about me hear. Me ear say mackerel eating will make you feel like you're in a heaven. I saw me ear Vanilla Cho. Okay. So Vanilla said,
Make you feel like you want to climb the wall.
climb wall. And like how me feel like some me related to Anansi. Why not? Yes. Una never hear about brother Anansi. One not grow up. Long time me hear about brother Anansi. Me feel like me related to brother Anansi for a long time. Brother Anansi and me a brother. So me feel like me need to climb some wall. You understand? So, it wall we need to go in a Anansi family, ladies. It wall we need to climb. It wall we need to climb the wall. You understand? Queens, get the rose. Yes.
Not for the queen say they want the rose.
Yes. The rose. The rose. The rose. And not just any old rose.
And then say you need to stop going like you don't know about what the licky.
Oh, the rose. Every woman deserves a good rose. You understand? Yes. Queens. And for the kings, buy your lady a rose. Not feel threatened by the rose. You understand?
Every woman deserves
Don't
a
feel
flower.
threatened by the rose. A matter of fact, the queens themselves tell men out there. So them no want no more rose what can dead. One not go waste some money and buy rose what can dead. Not spend on the money pan no rose what can dead. There's a new rose come out that will last forever. Why not spend on the money upon that and present that to the queens? You understand? Me just make on a thing smarter now. Now if you go buy no rose where you have to go put water in the face, give them this kind of rose that will just come out. You understand? This, what, just come out. But just give them this rose. And they're not going to need no more rose after that. Forget about Valentine's. Wait, may I try to save on the money. Yeah? May I try to save on the money.
It's a rose for all year round.
It's a, once you buy her this rose, she not going to need no more roses from you. No, ever. For no Valentine's, no birthday. Valentine's coming, not even have to think about it. It will, she don't want nothing more from you. Just a rose.
It's
just one of them
perfect
rose. It's a
rose.
perfect gift.
Yes.
Husbands, boyfriends, I'm encouraging you to buy a rose for your wife and for your girlfriend. You understand? Yes. Yes.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. Me I tell you. Yes. Oh. Everybody wants a rose. Yes, I want all of the queens them to have rose. I want all of them to have rose, vanilla. Mm-hmm. I think we should give away rose. Yes, I think they want, or everybody should get a rose. Me I gonna see if I'm not gonna sit down there, and because you're so conservative, and because the Lord is gonna do this and that, the Lord wants you to enjoy yourself. You understand?
Okay, but we need to make a disclaimer. We're not trying to take away anything from your relationship.
Yeah, we're not trying to mash up on a relationship.
No.
So, no, but I come back. Come tell we say, listen to we and go get rose and now broke up with no husband and a boyfriend.
None of that. No. We're not taking no blame.
No blame. We're just telling about the good things them out there, and we want to enjoy on ourselves and live and smile. You know, when you use the rose and you're going to office or you go work, nothing what they say now about that. You understand?
We want you to live life to the fullest, full pleasure.
We want to walk and going to work or nothing about that. We just come in the morning and cross the bridge. Nothing about that. You're walking to work smiling. You're going to smile every day. Every day. That's what I want for honor. May I tell you the truth?
And they said it makes you squirt, so I mean...
Yes, squirt. We want squirt. Squirting is what we
squirt
want.
Away.
Yes. So, I want the best for honor. You understand?
The best and nothing but the best.
No, I'm not going to work on just a smile from ear to ear. You know, every day I'm going to be like Christmas for honor. And that's how I want my queens to feel. Like every day a Christmas. You know what I mean? I don't know if you get up and I wonder if a rose or... The sausage, the fake sausage, I got cheap on I got do this or do that. You understand what I mean, sir? If you might, you go out tonight, alright, go on,
have fun, enjoy
yourself.
yourself.
Come back a morning, man. Come back a morning. Not even come back tonight.
You have to go away for work?
Yeah.
Oh, on a business trip? Alright, we'll see you when you come back, honey.
Go on, man. You go to your friend and make sure.
Be safe.
Nobody rush you come home, you know. Take your time. Take your time. Stay as long as you want with your friend them out there. Yes. You're not even, you might realize, how come you not call or ask no one me there no more? You know what I mean?
Then say till y'all start chatting the tongues.
Yeah. You might be like, so oh, you not call me and ask no one me there no more. Oh, me trust you, man. I foolishness that me did that go on with it. You see? Me don't know what did that go on with me. After I get the rose at them things there. Yeah? After I get the rose at them things there.
Yeah.
Yes. Me I tell you now. And start speaking in tongues. Exactly. Everybody need to speak in tongues. For even once, twice, 3 times, forever. Speak in tongues. Yes. Not a rose that need water, but cause you to get wet. Exactly. This a rose that need water, but this a rose that cause you to get wet. Wriggle me this and wriggle me that. Which rose you don't have to water, but it makes you get wet? First one to call me and tell me that. Get all of them area. Yes. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. Yes. Which rose? Yes, for somebody to call me and tell me. Call. Yes.
The number's pen.
The number pen. Wriggle me this, wriggle me that. Get me this wriggle and where's that and perhaps not. Which rose you not have to
Oh, we got a call.
Who fast, sir? Who fast?
Hello? No, come up.
Big Rose, what have you going to here too?
Oh my God, no.
Do you know the riddle?
What a Big Rose with the here too?
It what?
What a Big Rose when you not for water with the here too?
The pink rose. You not for what?
You want me not for water with the here?
Which one you not for water?
Anyone will make you go and climax.
Oh, look. Where work with? Where make you do?
You not even know they say make your skirt.
But I look and where work with. Me need to know the description of the rose. You can't just call up in here and go by where them are saying. Me need you to know about the rose.
No, I ain't read. You want to get the egg in I read and me about to go in I read.
Where rose though? Where rose? What all rose? What in I rose? Where in I rose?
How the rose there?
Yeah, what in I rose?
Me not have a clue. Me not have a clue. But me want in I class. Me don't want to behind.
You in I class you don't want left behind. No man, me need somebody
Y'all
who
got
can
to do
tell me about
research
the
on
rose.
the rose.
Me want guys you have to call and tell me about the rose. Come, tell me about the rose. You can't just
All right, you'll have to call back when you know about the rose.
Rob know about the rose. I want to hear about the rose. Hello? Tell me about the rose.
Hold on.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
Good night, good night.
Yes, what about the rose? Tell me about the rose.
Can you tell us about the rose?
Which rose you not for water but make you squirt? Tell me about the rose.
The fantastic rose, the bedroom rose.
The bedroom rose and what make it rose? What in a rose?
What's so special about this
Yeah,
rose?
what's so special about the rose?
I don't know.
You don't know?
No, man, you didn't know the
about
answer.
the rose, man.
You have to tell me about the rose.
The rose that make you wet.
Yeah,
What caused it to
what
make
cause it? What in the rose here?
Why? I don't know if I tongue.
There you go. There is a tongue in the rose. Who this?
Cheryl.
Yes.
see?
There is a tongue in the rose, and it have different levels where it can go fast, it can go slow. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
They're different. Different.
Cheryl, where are you?
In Jamaica.
You're in Jamaica. Where in Jamaica are you? You don't have to tell me your full address, just the parish. You're in Old Harbour, Jamaica. All right, Cheryl, I have some air I'm going to send to you, okay?
Okay, thank you.
Text us
You're
your
welcome.
address, okay?
She don't have, Cheryl. Yeah, just text us your number, Cheryl.
All right.
All right?
All right, congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Oh, God.
You know what? Because I came on and I said it was going to be about a video, I am still going to have somebody else win some more ear.
So you have more people that come.
That one with the rose is done.
Yeah.
So listen, guys, this is going to be the question, and I'm going to get some more ear to send for another queen. Here we go. What was the question, Vanilla? You had the question.
In 2020, where did we go on our anniversary?
Yes, in 2020, where did we go for our anniversary? All four of us went together.
Yep.
In 2020.
It was
You've
a
been
couple's
watching
trip.
us. Yes, it was a couple's trip. Okay, anybody remember that vlog? I hate the word vlog. Anybody remember that video?
Yep. We got a call.
All right, take it. Hello, good night.
Hello.
Hello, good night.
You're very low. Who's this?
Good night, Tiana.
Tiana, where did we go?
Oh, and the rose didn't call me.
Someone
no,
already got
somebody
the
called
rose.
about that
Somebody
one
already
day.
got the rose.
Sorry.
Oh, man.
Yes.
Okay,
All right, darling. Sorry.
okay.
Big
All
up
right,
yourself.
bless up
Yeah,
yourself.
bless up
Big up
yourself,
yourself.
Queen.
All right.
In 2020, who remember where did we go on our not honeymoon? Because it's a honeymoon.
Anniversary.
Where did we go for our anniversary? Not this past one, the one before. Who watched us? Yes? Who can tell which country we go? First, somebody for call. I'll get the same amount of ear, which is what? 8 packs over here, including human ear. And I'll get you the same amount.
Nobody remember.
Nobody remember? Nobody remember? That's odd.
That's
Vanilla.
Oh, we got a call.
We got a
Let's
call,
see.
all right. We're impatient. Hello?
Hello.
You ever see a Mexico the day ago?
No.
Is it
No, we went to Mexico the last time.
Not Mexico.
Sorry.
Sorry.
Hello? Good
Hold on,
night.
hold
Come in. We're trying to get you. We're up and running.
Hold on. Phone's acting up.
There you go.
Okay. There you
Okay.
go.
Where
Hello?
did we go?
Is it Puerto Rico?
No, not Puerto Rico. Sorry.
Sorry.
Remember when you guys were in the coconut hut? What I don't remember.
You don't remember the name? Oh.
I remember when you were on the beach in that hut and they were trying to sell you guys these little stuff.
Yes,
And you were
yes.
in
You
the
don't
coconut
remember the
tree.
name?
Oh, the name of the country.
Yeah.
I think. Yeah, when you were on the beach and taking a lot of pictures. But I
Yep.
don't remember any
You don't remember the
Yeah.
name?
name of the country.
Somebody else a call. Maybe somebody
Alright.
else know. Sorry.
Sorry.
Hello?
Hello?
Is it good night? Is it Bahamas?
No.
Sorry.
Not bombers. Somebody else. Let's go. Come on, guys. I can't believe. Somebody else. Hello?
Hello?
Hello.
Yes. What? Where was it? Hello?
Where'd we go on our anniversary? 2020.
Dominican Republic.
Dominican Republic. You are absolutely right.
Right.
Yes. Oh, we got a winner. It's the DR, Dominican Republic. Yes. Yes, guys. It was the DR. Yeah. Congrats. Text us your number.
Okay.
All right. Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
It was the DR, guys.
Dominican
That was
Republic.
fun. That was hard, though.
Yeah.
I felt like that was hard.
Yeah.
Yeah, I want everything to be easy. I felt like that was hard.
Even if they had said Punta Cana, they would have.
Yeah, Punta Cana. Yeah,
Yeah.
I would have gotten it. Yeah. So we have 2 winners. Congratulations.
No, somebody said someone called is Mexico. It's not Mexico.
No, it's not Mexico. Mexico is where we went
This year.
this year.
Oh, they wanted us to ask a recent question.
A recent question. Oh gosh. All right, can we just?
We can do another one.
We can do another
Yeah,
one?
yeah.
All right. We'll do another set. Yeah, on a spoil, you know. On a spoil. You understand? On a spoil. Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
And the fun start stuff now. Yeah. On a spoil. Let me think about what I want to ask them. Yeah, for a newbie. Somebody. Well, it's not if for anybody. Fast fingers.
Mm-hmm.
All right. Wanna put up on the spot. Wanna put up on the spot with a recent question. Let's see. Yikes. What does all right, when Master Baker did a cook, when Master Baker made the meal for what the woman did meal?
Oh, Purple Rain?
No, not Purple Rain. For the old woman. Side chick.
Side chick, yeah.
When Master Baker did make the meal for side chick, what Master Baker did make? Call and tell me what Master Baker make for side chick. Oh no, who first can call? That easy and that recent. Yeah. For side chick. Remember side chick? Yes, she makes something for side chick. What's the meal she made for side chick?
Oh,
the old woman. Alright, answer. Hello? That's easy enough.
Hello?
Hello?
Say it again.
The franks and the sachets.
The frank. You have to give me Master Baker name. It's about Master Baker. Give me Master Baker name when Master Baker use.
Like God, Bringle.
Awa.
You know remember the next one? You know what Bringle and what again? Lord Jesus.
Master Baker made 3 things. 3 things.
Yes, Bringle.
Yes.
Bringle. Can't mean Lord Jesus. You don't know everybody.
This is a recent question. Master Baker made a meal for side chick. She made 3 things for side chick. 3 things. You got 1 from the 3. We need all 3.
We need all 3. Sorry.
We need all 3 things and we need them in Master Baker term. What she call them? Come on. Come on, man. Come on. You guys can get it. Yes. Master Baker made 3 things for side chick.
Side chick.
For side chick. Yeah. The old white lady. What did Master Baker make? I want them in a Master Baker term. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Good night. I don't remember clearly, but I'm wondering if it make mackerel.
No mackerel. No mackerel.
No mackerel.
No mackerel. Master Baker now make mackerel. Master Baker now gonna make no mackerel. Come on, people. Come on. Come on, people. I know you guys can't remember. Come on, man. Master Baker made 3 things off the menu for side chick. 3 things. Come on. She get the first one.
She get the first
one.
one.
She get the first one. That was Bringle. There are 2 more stuff. 2 more. There were 2 other
Nobody
things.
remember?
Maybe they're behind. There were 2 other things. 2 other things. Let me hear what them say. Me can't believe. Uno can't remember? No, sir. What them gonna do? Run down your video? 3 things Master Baker made for side chick. Yeah. Come on. Uno must can get that. For 8 packs a year, a mousse, a big bottle of shampoo, a big bottle of conditioner, and a moisturizer, and 2
You have to call.
and 2 crochet needles. Come on, let's go. Fish. She said fish. That was the last one. That was the last Master Baker with the fish.
That was with the student.
That was with the student. We talk about the one with the old white lady as slim chick.
Side chick.
Me always have say slim chick. With side chick. Yeah, with side chick. Come on.
Nope, they hung up.
Somebody hang up. Come on. They must go watch the recent one and come back and say a fish. No, man. It was the one with the old white lady. Remember? The old white lady. And she made three things. Yeah? 3 things she made. Remember, man. And she when she had decorate the plate, she put 2 other things on the plate. Remember? Yeah, man. I remember. Me I give you so much clues. Me I give you a lot of clues.
To give you enough.
A lot of clues. Me I give you a lot of clues.
She almost give it away.
Me almost a feed in her answer. Trust me. Alright. So that means that nobody no know. Me not change it. Bring a fish and rice. Somebody.
Oh, we got a call.
Okay. Alright. Hello.
Hello.
I'm gonna get you. Hello?
Yes.
Hello, good night.
Good night. You have the answer?
I think I want to get it. Bringer, rice. You hear me?
Yeah, me
Yeah, I hear you.
Yeah, me I hear you.
You said Bringle rice.
Yeah, bringer, rice. I think I fish.
No, no. Wrong. All right, me I give you one different question.
All right, sorry.
Let me tell you what it was. It was clean rice, bringle, and tingle. Remember? Clean rice, bringle, and tingle. And she can't get it again because me done give her answer. Yeah, me done give her answer. And I forgot wait for a different question.
Yep.
Yeah, me done give her answer because me think nobody don't get it. Yeah? All right, recent. Well, we can get them from recent now. Holy Jesus. I'm gonna keep. Well, we can get them from recent. Yeah, man, bring. The last one was with the fish. Remember, the last one was with the fish with the student. Yeah? All right. So, let's see. What we can? Oh, I'm blank with question from vlog. All right.
I got one.
May I have one?
Okay.
What is? All right, go ahead with yours.
What was Purple Rain's man's name?
Yes, that's a good one. Answer. Hello.
Hello, good night.
Hello, good night.
You have the answer for me.
Bringle, tingle, and rice.
Yeah,
That
that one gone. We have a new question now.
Alright, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. The new question is what was that's gonna be hard. But I think everything the most say hard. What was Purple Rain man name in the master baker? Remember? A master baker thinks she did say Bringle. Hello?
Hello, good night.
Hello?
Hello?
Yes,
Hello,
good night. What was the name? Hello?
Good night.
Good night, I'm
Good
hearing
night.
you. What was the name?
A tough crackers thy name.
No, it wasn't Tough Crackers. It was Tough Crackers who was the character, but it's not Tough Crackers that was the name. Come on, remember, it rhymed with Bringer. It rhymed with Bringer.
Remember Master Baker?
Master Baker, yeah, remember Master Baker, the thing says she said Bringer. And put her in the bathroom. Yes.
The number's pinned.
The number's pinned. Yeah, click on see more and you will see. Somebody a call.
Hello, good night.
Hello?
Yes, good night.
Hello?
Yes,
Hello,
we can
good
hear
night.
you.
Tingle?
No.
No, Tingle was the name of the sausage, of the Frank, the little Frank. Yeah.
We. And a finger?
No,
Anna
Tingle.
Anna Tingle.
Sorry.
Anna Tingle.
We.
What else can we ask that's gonna be actually
I
easy?
can't put her
Come
on.
on. You do it wrong, that's why.
How did I do it wrong?
Because you need to go up like that.
I answered one already.
Why you yelling?
I'm
on
not
the line?
yelling. I'm trying to
But I'm
get-
right next to you, so. Hello?
Is it Bringy?
Ah?
Is it Bringy?
No.
No. Bringy is Master Baker. Master Baker man.
Man.
Yeah, bring your Master Baker man.
Sorry.
Come on, guys. It rhyme with it's close to Bringy. Come on, it's close to Bringy. It's close to Bringy. It's close to Bringy. Oh yeah. Aha! Me just blurt it out. That was nobody there hear me. Oh God, me just blurt it out.
Don't worry if I say then. Maybe we need.
Mingo? No, I didn't mingo.
What was purple?
Oh, why you
rain?
can't get through?
Man's
The phone line open now. So if you know the answer, call. Yeah, the phone line open now. Yeah. You late, Jennifer Foster. We still love having you. All right, come on.
Hello,
Hello.
good night.
Brinko.
Say it again.
Brinko.
Yes!
Yes. Who is this?
You know who?
Oh, maybe not. Let me
But I
see.
don't.
Sam. That's Sam.
Oh, that's Sam.
I recognize her from the communications.
Sam, I've never seen your picture, so I didn't know it was you, Sam. Okay, Sam. All right, Sam. Text us, Sam.
I don't want it. What I'm gonna do is to have you nominated to the next person that call.
Oh, that is so nice. You're willing to donate it to the next person who called.
All right.
You just wanted to participate. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Queen.
No problem, darling.
All right.
All right. Sam is in where? Florida? Okay. So Sam, she won, but she said to give it, to donate it to the next person
Here it
who
is.
call. So whomever call now is gonna get the ear them from Sam. Hello.
Hey, good night.
Good
Good
night.
night.
Yes. There's a wrinkle.
Brinkle.
No,
Somebody
she said
already.
wrinkle.
Oh, wrinkle. It's not wrinkle. It's Brinkle. But the person who called before you, she won. She won, and she wanted me to donate it to the next person who called. So fortunately, you're the next person who called.
Okay, all right. Thank you.
You're
All right,
welcome.
text
So
us your
congratulations.
congratulations.
Okay.
All right.
All right, text us your information.
On a
All
better.
right.
On a better pay attention to the videos them, you hear? Cause when we come out with the rules them and we come test on the knowledge, we now back down and give you an easy question when we have the rules. So if you don't want to squirt away and put on carpet, not towel, carpet, you understand? Or a better start pay attention.
You never know what chocolate or vanilla
You
you're gonna
never
find,
know what we're up to. Yeah? So, if you don't want to spread carpet, pay attention. If you don't want to spread the carpet, then alright. Yeah. But that was fun. Thank you guys so much for joining us tonight. We always have fun interacting with you guys. And we definitely, guys, Saturday, we're coming, there's gonna be a new Master Baker episode. You understand? Yes. Master Baker on Saturday. We're gonna come party with them Saturday night, however long till them cut we off. Sunday, on a know we praise and worship and we cage your credits. We give away credits. All right. Congratulations to all the winner, all of you who are winners.
Cheryl, Marlene,
and the last caller. We are gonna send you same amount of hair, shampoo, conditioner, same thing. We're gonna make that matching set. Kings, I have a set coming out for you guys.
We didn't
forget about you guys. We have boxers, deodorants, we have jeans, marina t-shirts, and all of that for the kings that we're planning on doing a night dedicated to our kings. And a wife can call in a daughter, whomever, for a king in your life. But we would prefer a king that supports us and watches us. So we're going to do something for our kings as well. All right, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching us tonight. It's always a pleasure hanging out with you guys. Yes, I'm exhausted. I'm tired. Yes.
It's been a long day.
It's been a long day, but we tried to come on here. Appreciate you guys. Love you guys. And there's nothing you can do about it.
Yes.
Go ahead, Vanilla. I didn't mean to cut you off.
We appreciate you guys coming on and spending your time with us tonight. You know, you could have been anywhere else, but you chose to be here with us, and we appreciate you.
Yes, and let love rule. Let love rule.
Love conquers all.
Yeah, let love rule, and let's just try to be real with each other. We are real people, and we talk about real things. And sorry if anybody get offended by the sex talk. Sex is a part of life, and like I say, I'm not joking. I want my queens to be satisfied completely in life, and sex is a part of life. Yeah. And there's nothing to be ashamed of. They make sex toys because you can incorporate it in your relationship. It doesn't mean that you're lonely and that you can't get nobody because you have things to pleasure yourself. Nothing wrong with that. I want us to be open-minded and learn from each other. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. Learn our body and know what our body need. And know to please yourself too. Nothing wrong with that. Yeah, we live, it's 2022, honey. These are not the time when we hide for to buy some MaxiPod. These are not the day and age where we're afraid to tell, what we're daughter afraid to tell us that them have them period. Like I was afraid to tell my mom that I had my period because I think so sitting there wrong with me. Because back then you feel embarrassed about having a period. We don't live in those day and age no more.
True.
You understand? True. Though we're all interconnected now with social media and people, we talk about any and everything now, and we'll learn about things. Back then you didn't know, so you could have the rose, you know what I mean?
You never know the
back
rose.
Then when people talk about oral sex and getting them mackerel eat, you wonder what that did I ever feel like. Now you have something, anybody can have them mackerel eaten now. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's just life. We live in a country where we talk about anything. Yeah, and nobody is ashamed or afraid to talk about sex and all of that. So if you are shy and insecure about talking about sex, don't be. Sex is a part of life.
It is.
And no matter if you got church or not, everybody has sex. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, we're not sin. We're just over here trying to have fun and interact with you guys and tell you about real life and real life stuff. Yeah, dildo is a part of life now. You know what I mean? Yeah. Back in the days when people free. Now me frightened everybody talk about eat mackerel. Back in the days somebody eat mackerel, they not tell nobody, Nobody said them eat mackerel over there. Them keep up all them good up things there, and then they talk about and think it was a crime. Ain't nothing, ain't no crime in that. Once you're a responsible adult and you do things responsibly with people that you actually care and have a connection with.
Yep.
Yeah. Good night, my wonderful kings and queens. Love enough.
They said your love life should not be boring.
Should not be. That's what me I try to tell you. You understand? It don't have to be boring. You know, have to be
You
boring.
can get the vibrating.
It can be
waves.
fun. It can be fun and exciting. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Yes. And about wait. And not only about sex toys alone, but me know some of we women, we always want to wait for our husband or our boyfriend to make the approach. We live in a day and age now, you don't have to wait, you know.
I'm not wait for my husband.
You know what I mean?
Mama
If you
want
feel
to tell me.
horny, grab the boy.
We do
You know
that?
what I mean? Do like a quickie sometime. It not have to always be so scheduled. Be spontaneous. You know what I mean?
Do it in the morning.
Tell the boy to follow you go in the closet. Push down all of the same thing.
You see him in the
You know what I
closet.
mean?
You see him
Me,
again, get them clothes.
Me need you to come take down this because in my closet, you have a shelf. Then I always say, use my brain. Come help me take down this in a closet for me. Not till you reach my purse, them up this up on a top shelf for me. And when he climb up on it, he like a step sinting now. Me slap him on him body. You know what I mean? Me just slap him back and hold him like into a batty jar them and squeeze them. You see what me I say? Yes!
You gotta keep it hot.
Yes, sir. Keep it hot. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
You're not only restricted to a bedroom. Well, I know your living situation, so I not go, you know, but if you have, you know, have it where you're not restricted to just a bedroom, because people have kids, I don't know.
I'm restricted to my bedroom, my bathroom, and my closet. So
Yeah,
I can't go any other part of the house.
You know what I mean? So me just take it all over the place. You know what I mean? Yes.
But I can still keep it spicy now.
Yes. Yes. But that's what I try to tell her. Make it hot. You know what I mean? Keep the mackerel hot and keep the sausage hot. Yes. That's what I try to tell her now. Yes. Yes. Make it spicy. Live. You only have one life to live. You know what I
And
mean?
don't think, say you need to just do it. Move around.
Yeah. No, they don't like no log. You know what I mean? No log out the thing. No dead fish out the thing. You understand? Yes. Keep it excited.
Keep it and
yes. Excited.
bring it.
Excited. You know what I mean? Yes.
That's
Yes,
what
man.
keeps your relationship
Spicy.
Yes.
Spicy, man.
making wanting for more, wondering what will come next.
Yeah, you know what I mean? You have to be careful how you approach a Jamaican man them with them Thai business. Them not like them sinting there. You understand? Them not like. Be careful. Me no want no go get scream at because of chocolate. Proceed with caution. Yeah?
Well, like we said, we're not taking no responsibility. We're not taking
Proceed
no
with caution. You
responsibility.
understand? And when you do that,
Don't turn around and say, say a chocolate and vanilla tell me forget this, No.
I mean, I want you go slap a man like a fight you want fight him pan him. When me tell about slapping pan him bat if you turn him on and this. Me no want you go give him a big thump on them something there. You understand? You must know what kind of a slap. You can't go slap a man and swell up him and well up him body. You understand?
Right.
You have to know. Me no want you go slap him and then he go react and think a fight you want fight him and then you blame that upon me. You must know the nice playful
Gentle.
part. You know what I mean? Playful part. You know what I mean? Me no want you go your fist and the man go climb up and get sitting for you and you go thump him in the body. I know that me a talk about. You know? Nice you know? Yes. Yeah. And you can go in the front and try to read for his sausage.
Or
too.
stand up
But
behind
me
him
don't want you go Yankee sausage now. You know what I mean? And go hurt him.
gentle massage.
Nobody not
Take
talk about
it easy.
massage when me talk
Take it easy.
For turn him. You just, you know what I mean? Reach feet, Jank. Yes. I that me I try to tell him.
No spanking.
Not go hurt nobody. That's all chocolate I try to tell him. Not go hurt nobody. Spunk. Yeah, I like a spunk. Me not talk about no beating. You know?
Then say washer and dryer spin cycle.
Me can't bother with it though. Yes. Speed cycles. I like a spunk, yeah? Not beaten. Spunk. Pow. Yeah. Alright guys, love you guys.
Love you guys. Thank you
Oh,
for
no love the
joining us.
foolishness with we, yeah?
Yeah.
I love you guys. Take care. See you on the back on the weekend. Bless upon yourself.
All right.
Yeah?
Take care.
Bye.
Bye.